We all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. Okay, let's start with the understanding that the extra fat that rests around the sides of the waist and hangs over the top of your favorite pair of pants is referred to as love handles. Most of us have more than we'd like. Unfortunately, this fat is difficult to get rid of. Excessive side crunches and other abdominal exercise that target the obliques, which are muscles that run down the sides of the torso, are used by many individuals to attempt to target this particular area and burn off this excessive fat. However, exercise isn't enough. If you want to permanently lose your love handles, you need to make diet changes, in addition to exercise and other lifestyle adjustments to make a difference and see the impact fast. The good news is that in today's video, we'll be discussing 7 simple ways to reduce this side body fat quickly. So before we start, be sure to like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload. Let's get that fat gone. We know that fat-burning workouts help impact these excessive areas, especially in a quick reduction of your side body fat. Besides these workouts, we're going to review other quick changes in your nutritional lifestyle that can have a great impact in as little as a few weeks to minimize side fat and get a thinner waist. First, you can cut out added sugar. When attempting to shed fat in any part of the body, it's essential to consume a nutritious meal plan. One of the most effective strategies to improve your nutrition plan is eliminating processed sugar. This processed sugar may be found in various foods and beverages, including cookies, candies, sports drinks, and soda. Natural sugar, such as that found in entire fruits and vegetables, doesn't really fall under this category. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar has been associated with a variety of health problems, including heart disease, metabolic syndrome, and diabetes. It's been shown to increase the amount of body fat, especially in the abdominal region. Sweeteners like table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, honey, and agave nectar are all rich in fructose, a simple sugar found in many foods. Numerous studies have shown that fructose, particularly in the form of sweetened drinks, contributes to the acclimation of belly fat. Furthermore, most sweet meals are high in calories while being low in nutritional value. Reducing the quantity of added sugar in your diet may aid in the reduction of overall body fat, including the love handles. Second, you want to focus on healthy fats. Consuming healthy fats such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish will help you lose weight by reducing your waistline. Not only do healthy fats taste great, but they also help you feel fuller for longer periods, meaning that you consume fewer calories throughout the day. According to findings, one research involving more than 7,000 individuals discovered that when participants followed a high-fat Mediterranean diet supplemented with olive oil, they lost more weight and gained less belly fat than when they followed a low-fat diet. It is possible that substituting good fats for less nutrient-dense meals can aid in weight loss. This might be as easy as adding a couple of scrumptious avocado slices to your dinner to make it more nutritious. In fact, according to another study, those who eat avocados tend to weigh less and have less belly fat than those who don't consume avocados. Even though good fats are rich in calories, adding them to your diet in moderation will help you lose weight faster due to their beneficial impact to increase your body's natural metabolism rate. Third, fill up on fiber. Increase your intake of soluble fiber-rich meals and include them in your routine to combat those stubborn love handles. Beans, nuts, cereals, vegetables, and fruits are examples of foods that contain soluble fiber. In addition to slowing down digestion and lowering sensations of hunger, it assists in maintaining a sense of fullness for a longer amount of time. Fiber can provide individuals with sustained sensations of fullness that have been demonstrated to reduce the number of calories they eat throughout the day. One study found that increasing the quantity of soluble fiber consumed by only 10 grams per day over 5 years resulted in an average loss of 3.7% of visceral fat, which is a dangerous kind of abdominal fat. Furthermore, whole foods that are high in soluble fiber are also high in nutrients, which is another bonus. They're also beneficial to the friendly health-promoting bacteria that live in your gut, promoting better digestion and increasing fat loss. Be sure to move throughout the day. Finding simple strategies to improve the number of calories you burn throughout the day is a great way to lose unwanted weight. Many people live sedentary lifestyles, and their jobs require them to sit at a desk most of the day. Long periods of sitting have been shown in studies to be harmful to your health and waistline. Setting a timer every half hour to get up and walk to the cooler or around the office throughout the day can make a major impact when it comes to weight loss. You can also incorporate a walk around your block for 30 minutes at lunchtime to add in a few extra steps. Make it a point to figure ways to be more active even though you're tied to a desk for most of your day. You'll see a difference fast. Practice mindful eating. Concentrating on your meals and paying more attention to how you feel while eating will assist you in losing weight and burning fat from your midsection and your hips. We all want to enjoy our meals and not deprive ourselves of our favorite treats. Mindful eating means using the 80-20 rule when formulating your weekly nutritional plan, so you still have the 20% or less of your favorite meals to enjoy. Practicing this routine will help you gain control over your eating habits and even help you lose weight by consuming fewer calories, which then burns that stubborn midsection and love handle fat. To practice mindful eating, you gotta pay attention to your hunger and fullness signals while eating to understand how food affects your mood and health. In addition to being a fantastic approach to getting healthy, both physically and psychologically, this strategy has been an effective method for weight loss. One study of 48 obese women discovered that mindful eating habits resulted in a better decrease of belly fat and a drop in cortisol levels when compared to no intervention in a person's eating routine. More importantly, after you've attained your desired weight, practicing mindful eating might assist you in maintaining healthy body weight and continue to burn even more fat. Include HIIT workout. When it comes to burning fat, high-intensity interval training, known as HIIT, may be one of the most efficient exercises available. HIIT exercises are comprised of brief bursts of intense cardiovascular activity that are followed by a time of recuperation. These exercises are short and efficient, and multiple studies have shown that they may aid in the fast reduction of body fat levels in participants. In a recent assessment of 18 trials, including over 800 participants, researchers discovered that HIIT was more successful than conventional, low-intensity, continuous exercise at decreasing body fat and increasing cardiopulmonary fitness. Additionally, HIIT has been demonstrated to be an effective aid in the fight against abdominal obesity. One study, which involved 39 women, found that incorporating HIIT into workouts was more successful at decreasing belly fat than conventional training alone. Furthermore, HIIT sessions burn a significant amount of calories in a short period, reducing the need to spend hours at the gym. And eating whole foods. One of the most straightforward methods of getting rid of love handles is a nutritional plan based on consuming high in whole, unprocessed foods. Fried meals, desserts, TV dinners, and fast foods are examples of highly processed foods that include components detrimental to one's health and fitness goals. According to research, people who consume a high volume of processed foods are at a higher risk of obesity and chronic illnesses such as diabetes and heart disease. It's effective to reduce your waistline by increasing your intake of entire natural foods in your daily meal plan routine. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, lean proteins, and whole grains are all examples of nutritious whole foods. Preparing meals from scratch at home, rather than relying on prepackaged dinners, may also be an effective method of shedding excess weight and losing those love handles. Past research indicates that those who frequently consume pre-made meals available in grocery stores and fast food restaurants have higher belly fat than those who don't. Another benefit of preparing your meals is that it provides you control of which ingredients, salts, and oils are used in cooking. As discussed in other videos, there are highly recommended substitutes to use for cooking oils, salts, and spices that not only provide a great taste, but also provide other metabolic advantages to the burning of body fat and weight loss. As you can see, there are a variety of straightforward and natural methods for getting rid of love handles. It's possible to have a thinner waistline by simply implementing a revised fitness program, consuming less processed meals, and consuming more fiber throughout the day. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, you've got to make long-term adjustments to your diet, exercise routine, and overall lifestyle. Although improving one part of your life might result in modest weight loss, combining all the ways we talked about today will give you a higher chance of not only losing weight, but keeping that fat off to meet your fitness goals. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you thought and if you enjoyed the video in the comments section below. And of course, be sure to like the video and share it so that you can help others in meeting their fitness goals as well. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload. See you in the next video.